Hi guys, what's up? I'm Horace, the founder of this app. In this video, I'm going to show you the app from start to finish and how you can use it easily. So I'm going to open it. So when you open the app, you will see the welcome screen it gives you. So just tap on get started button to continue. So here app explains a little more about its features. So tap start quiz button. So here the app asks what should we call you. So enter your name to make the app personal for you. So I'm gonna write Harry Hazel. So click on continue. So now choose how you want to use Moment Me Now. There are 5 options. Pick the one that fits you best. I'm gonna choose capture daily life moments. So click on continue. So this screen explains how the app works. So just tap got it to move forward. Here the app asks what kind of moments do you save the most. So I'm going to select travel and places, friends and family and click on continue button. So next it asks how often do you think you will capture moments. So pick one option that fits your routine. So I'm going to select every day. So click on continue button. You can give a rating for the app. This helps us make the app even better for you. So I'm going to click on maybe later. Now here the app asks what matters more to you when saving a moment. So select one option. I'm going to select how I felt. Now how do you want your moments to feel? I'm going to select calm and peaceful and click on continue. It's time to create your first moment. Tap the create button to start. This screen shows premium features you can unlock by upgrading. It explains the benefits of the paid version. So I'm going to click on start free trial. This is the main screen of the app. You can see your recent moments, create a new one or check your limit. There is also an upgrade button if you want more feature, so you can upgrade it. So I'm gonna click on create my moment. Here you can create a moment by adding an image, a moment name, location, your mood, your date and time and a short description. So I'm going to add an image. So I'm giving the moment name, making the UI and mode and location from my house, and mode is focused. Select the date and time and give it a short description. And click on save button. So here you can see the recent moment that I have created. This screen shows all the moments you have saved. You can scroll through them anytime and relive your memory. So click on the moment and you can share this moment. Here you can manage your preferences and account settings easily. And that's it, Moment Me Now app. It's simple, clean and makes saving your special moments really easy. Try the app yourself and explore all its features. If you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.